second. The beauty industry wants us to believe that staying youthful means spending hundreds, if not thousands, on anti-aging creams, serums, or expensive procedures. But what if I told you that one of the most powerful ingredients for mature skin, something that can soften deep wrinkles, tighten sagging skin, and lock in collagen, has probably been sitting in your bathroom cabinet this whole time? Yeah. I'm talking about Vaseline. It's not fancy. It's not new. But when you use it the right way, it can do things that even luxury skincare products can't. So today, I'm going to show you 10 Vaseline hacks that can transform aging skin, whether you're 50, 60, 70, or beyond. If you love simple DIY beauty tips that actually work, make sure to hit that subscribe button because here, we share the real stuff every week. Alright, besties, let's get into it. Ever wake up, look in the mirror, and think, whoa, my skin aged overnight? Tight, dry, crepey? You're not imagining it. As we age, our skin loses its ability to hold moisture. Here's where Vaseline steps in like your little nighttime superhero. Most people think it just sits on your skin. Nope. It actually seals in the moisture your skin already has, creating a breathable shield that locks in hydration while you sleep. How to do it. 1. Wash your face with warm water. 2. Don't dry it completely, keep it slightly damp. 3. Apply a thin layer of Vaseline on key areas, around your mouth, under your eyes, forehead, and neck. 4. Massage gently in upward motions and let it work overnight. When you wake up, your skin feels plump, cushioned, and soft, as if you've just had a facial. Let's be honest, most of us pamper our face but stop right at the jawline. And that's a mistake. Your neck is one of the first places to show your age. It's thinner, has fewer oil glands, and it's constantly in your palms and massage it upward on your neck and jawline. Never down. The warmth helps it melt in beautifully while your upward strokes train the skin to resist gravity. Do this nightly, and within weeks, your neck starts feeling firmer, smoother, and more elastic. Your hands tell stories, and sometimes they tell them too loudly. Dry, lined, and wrinkled hands can reveal your age instantly. So before bed, massage Vaseline deeply into your hands, especially the knuckles and cuticles. Then, slip on soft cotton gloves overnight. By morning, your hands will feel like silk, smoother, plumper, and hydrated. This trick costs pennies but feels like a luxury spa treatment. The skin under your eyes is delicate like tissue paper. And when it dries out, fine lines become permanent. Here's what to do. After washing your face, tap a tiny amount of Vaseline under your eyes with your ring finger. This seals in moisture overnight, letting your skin repair itself. Wake up to softer, smoother, and brighter under eyes. Just remember, less is more. A thin layer is enough. Smile lines are beautiful, but deep ones can make your skin look tired. Massage a light layer of Vaseline into the area with small circular motions every night. It hydrates, softens, and over time, those lines look smoother and less pronounced. You're not erasing your smile, just softening its edges. Want that natural, radiant glow without makeup? Mix a tiny pea-sized amount of Vaseline with your moisturizer and tap it on your cheekbones, temples, and nose bridge. Instantly, your skin looks alive, luminous, and fresh. Perfect for brunch, weddings, or just a confidence boost. We all start losing collagen in our 30s, and by 60, it's significantly lower. Vaseline can't create collagen, but it helps protect it by sealing in hydration. Try this. Before bed, apply a tiny amount over your lashes and brows, too. It conditions them and hydrates the delicate skin around your eyes. You'll wake up looking fresh and subtly lifted. Got dark spots or pigmentation? Mix a bit of Vaseline with a few drops of lemon juice, apply it overnight, and rinse in the morning. Lemon brightens while Vaseline protects your barrier. Just remember, only use this at night and always wear SPF the next day. If your skin feels rough, Flaky, or just tired, it's time for a Vaseline reset. Cleanse your face, apply a thick layer of Vaseline, and sleep in it. By morning, your skin feels soothed, soft, and deeply rehydrated. This classic trick, now known as slugging, helps repair your moisture barrier, and it's pure magic for mature skin. After a few days, your skin will feel softer. After 2 weeks, lines begin to fade. After a month, your natural glow returns. Remember, skincare isn't about complexity, it's about consistency. You don't need 20 products when one simple hack can do it all. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments, which Vaseline hack are you trying first. Until next time, stay glowing, stay confident, and take care of that beautiful skin of yours.